Rebirth white screen issue on PC. 1. Restart the game in PC. Close the Binding of Isaac Rebirth completely. Exit Steam. Restart your computer. Launch Steam and start the game again. Number 2. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Select Properties Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the verification to complete. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. Number 4. Run the game as administrator. Open the game installation folder. Right-click isaac-n.exe or the game executable. Select Run as administrator. Check if the white screen issue is fixed. 5. Disable Steam overlay. Open Steam library. Right-click the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Select Properties. Turn off Enable Steam overlay while in-game. Restart the game. Number 6. Delete the configuration file. Close the game. Open the game's Save Configuration folder. Locate the configuration/options file. Delete or rename it. Launch the game to generate a new configuration file. 7. Disable mods. Turn off all installed mods. Launch the game without mods enabled. Check if the white screen disappears. Re-enable mods one at a time if needed. 8. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Download and install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables x64 and x86. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 9. Close background applications. Open Task Manager. Close Discord, MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, and other overlay software. Free up system resources. Launch the game again. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Restart your PC. Reinstall the latest version from Steam. Launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. These steps can help fix the Binding of Isaac Rebirth white screen, blank screen, startup display issues, launch problems, and loading errors on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs.